all the Vrajavasis ran towards the sea, and Krishna was just crawling on her body, on dead body. And immediately they called Krishna and they started offering prayers to the Lord and chanting mantras for his protection. Because they never think he is a great God. They think he is our lover, our friend, our child. That's their love. It's natural attraction. Everybody has for Krishna. In fact, Krishna means all attractive. Vrajavasis heart are pure, they are naturally attracted to Krishna. All of us also have attraction. Prahlad Maharaj said that similarly the soul and the Supreme Lord have natural attraction. That's why this God is called all attractive. Krishna. Name of Krishna is all attractive. But why we are not feeling that attraction now? Because our minds are covered over with greed and lust. That is rust.